Hi guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you three different models machines. This is M4 Pro 24 gigabyte and 512 gigabyte, and this is the 2024 machine. And this one is M3 Pro, also 14-inch, 18 gigabyte, and the storage is the 512. And also this one, this is M2 Pro 16 gigabyte and 512 gigabyte. And also let me show you the battery. Okay, you can see the battery capacity 95% and the cycle count of 150. And this one 18 and 100. This one also had the warranty period until 27 February 24th. Okay, this one has warranty. This one warranty passed. You can see the battery cycle count 83 and the battery capacity is 98%. And you can see this is this color. You can see, and let me show you the port. Okay, you can see the port here, the little scratch here. This is expensive one. This is almost 12,300 approximately price, and this one is a little bit cheaper, about 8,700 this price. This is M3 Pro, and this one is the price is about 6,700. 700. Okay, this is three different machines. This is a powerful machine, and you can see. Okay, if you want to buy the 2022 to 2024, the 40-inch M Pro, M Chip, the Pro model, the Pro Chip model. You can compare these three different models. This is M4 Pro. Yes, this is M4 Pro 2024, and also this is 2023 40-inch M3 Pro. And let me show you this one. This is M2 Pro 2023, and you can see a little bit stigma. Okay, let me compare. This is the M2 Pro. The port you can see. This is the M3 Pro 40-inch, and this is the M4 Pro the 40-inch. You can compare the ports. Okay, and then let me show you the other. Okay, now you can see this is also M2 Pro, M3 Pro, and M4 Pro. You can see. Okay, a little scratch here.